Hey, what's up everybody? It's Matt here with Flight Sim Guides, and I want to share a quick video question with you guys. So a question came in, looks like it was from Harry1111. What's up, Harry? On whether or not Turtle Beach products will work on a Mac with X-Plane. Things have a way of working with whatever device they get plugged into, especially controls. They work pretty plug and play from PC to Mac. Let's go down the rabbit hole. So I just did a quick search on Google for Turtle Beach flight sim controls. Anything that you want to find out about your flight sim stuff is probably on Google, or at this point you could probably even ChatGPT it. So and I might even look that up on ChatGPT here just for the fun of it to see what they say. But a quick Google search is generally a little bit simpler. So I did that. I came up with a bunch of stuff up here, so we could see that they have the VelocityOne Flight Universal Control System for flight simulation on Xbox. You said, I think you were using a Mac, because that's what we're doing here, not an Xbox. But let's see. We're going to go through and see what this stuff is compatible with. So instead of clicking on this, what I'm going to do is click on the actual website down here. That's how we're going to play this one. Compatible with Xbox and PC. So right out the gate, I'm like, I don't know if it's going to work with a Mac. Compatibility, let's drop that down. Xbox Series, Xbox One, Windows. It's not saying anything about Mac, so that's not looking too great. Microsoft, not compatible with Xbox Cloud streaming. It does say X-Plane 11 and 12. So really what we need to do is find out if it works with a Mac. Okay, so if you haven't used it, basically I treat ChatGPT just like it's a regular person. It's my friend. It's my therapist. It's my know-it-all. It's my my coach, my health coach, my business coach, my wealth advisor, everything I need all in one, right? So just treat it like it's a person. Give it a name, whatever. Just don't ask too many questions, or they'll say, hey, sorry, you've reached your limit for the day. So I'm going to ask about Turtle Beach and then put the link in there. That way it can go out and do a little bit of research and then advise her or him, whatever it is. Please use the above link or any other sources of information to determine this flight sim yoke and control unit will work on a Mac. Let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Do you guys use ChatGPT? Did you give it a name? What do you guys name it? Is it a guy, a girl, an it? Let's see. The Turtle Beach VelocityOne Flight Yoke Throttle Unit is not supported on a Mac. Turtle Beach explicitly states it's designed only for Xbox consoles and Windows PCs. I think that's probably the answer that you're looking for, Harry, and anybody else that's wondering about this. So that might be the way to go. But then, of course, look through what else they have here. So, different product in the VelocityOne family, the VelocityOne FlightStick, a joystick, not the full Yoke quadrant system, does work well with Macs. So we'll look that up here in a second. When connected via a wired USB-C cable, which I wouldn't have it done any other way. Multiple users report smooth plug-and-play experience, full access button mapping support, no need for Mac drivers. And then from a Reddit user's comment, connected the HOTAS to my MacBook Pro M2 Max, and all buttons access are identified in X-Plane 12. Yoke and throttle cycle Mac compatibility. VelocityOne Flight Yoke plus throttle not compatible. The FlightStick joystick only does work well with a Mac. So there's probably the answers that you're looking for. You're probably going to want to look this up. So I'm going to look that up here in just a second. Yeah, that one doesn't say it's compatible with the Mac. So you're definitely going to want to make sure to do your research on that one and make sure that you get Xbox, PC, Switch. I think it even works on a Switch. Logitech. This one says, oh, that's the HOTAS. So Turtle Beach VelocityOne Flight Deck Universal HOTAS Simulation. I want to find one that you guys can take with you and get it right on Amazon. It says right here, I highly recommend Turtle Beach VelocityOne FlightStick, right for use with X-Plane on the Mac, which is exactly what you're looking for, despite not being advertised as Mac compatible. It works incredibly well, and only $129 on Amazon. Something else to think about, Harry, is this. So this one is not being mentioned that it works on a Mac. Not anywhere in here does it say, but that dude said it worked on a Mac. So here's kind of what I'm thinking at this point is this. It's $139. Get it off of Amazon and give it a shot. Plug it into your Mac and see if it works. Okay. And I'm saying do that because if you get it off of Amazon, they have easy returns. If it doesn't work, stick it back in the box and send it back to Amazon. Bam. Now you got it. Okay. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully that makes sense. And what's funny is I still can't give you a straight answer. I don't know. I've not used this before, but even if you wanted the Flight VelocityOne, try that. But get it off of Amazon. And if that doesn't work, again, stick it back in the box, send it back. It's easy as that. And then find something else. I don't know that much about Turtle Beach. I haven't used any of their products. But I would say to anybody, if you really want it, buy it. Try it out. If it doesn't work, return it. Sorry for that. All right. Hope that helps. I'll hit you guys up in another video. And I'll talk to you guys soon. All right, see you. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our home flight simulator resource guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.